in Galveston, and well, we're not getting off the ship. This is a back-to-back cruise, and in this video I'm going to show you the processes that we go through. This is our first back-to-back, so you and I are learning this at the same time. But first, we're going to go have some breakfast, and well, look at all the long faces. Yeah, we have, you know, it's just been a chill morning so far. Yeah, it's a back-to-back. It's cruise day again. Alright everybody, we're headed down to 3, where all the back-to-backers are supposed to meet at. And we're a bit early. It shows to be there at 9:45. And let me see what time it is. It's 8:15, but they said that they're running ahead of schedule, so might as well go and find a nice cool spot to sit. Man, there's so many people waiting. I know there's going to be even more once we get closer down to 5 and 4. So we're here in the Reflections. We're a bit early. He said 9:30, and it's 8:23. But I can tell you this: it's actually a lot cooler down here than what it was on the Lido. So we're just chilling out, waiting for this whole back-to-back thing to go. There's a lot of Diamond Platinums in here, more so than previous cruises. So, but there's a lot of people getting off the ship too, and we ain't one of them. All right, so it's 9:37, and they're kind of going around checking people in, all that kind of stuff. Good morning.
All right, you're waiting. All right, what's your cabin number?
7305.
7305. And that's you, Isaac and Joel?
Yes.
All the way on the bottom.
All the way on the bottom.
I'm going to take your photos here and put you on a new voyage. My colleague is going to come around to scan you off the old voyage.
Right. You get to take a new picture. Not gonna go off your.
And I'm going to take your photo.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Make sure you smile, so I won't make fun of you.
Thank you. Right here. Ready, Isaac?
Yep.
Give her something to laugh about.
Sorry. I don't think
You
it
think
gets
I
my
didn't
thumb.
get it?
There we go.
All right.
They're gonna love that when I go off.
All right, no problem. Appreciate you, brother.
We'll get them.
You have your travel documents with you as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Hello, back to back?
Yes.
All right, so we can have a seat right here. Good morning, ma'am. Hello, back to back, right?
Alright, so they're about to scan this old one, scan us off the ship, and we got our new cards, and we'll scan us back in.
Looks like we won't have to get off the ship.
Well, it depends on if customs comes on. If customs comes inside here, then we don't. But they may sell us go off for customs. Still got to do that passport thing. But we'll see.
Can you make us look 20 years younger? Thank you.
I'll try.
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh, I've been ready. I've been ready.
I'm hurrying.
I'll go for 25 since I'm older than her.
You go for 25?
Yeah, if you make me look 25 years younger.
Now, if we make
Let's see what miracles we
Okay,
can
let's
make.
see. Oh, okay, what's your name?
Ordained.
O'Dane. Okay,
Yes.
O'Dane. If I don't look younger.
You 20 years younger.
Yeah.
Would you like your teens?
Telling me. Yes.
Hey, but you want to know what you know now.
Listen, no bills. That's for sure.
Listen, we gray-haired old ladies, we're feisty
You're feisty?
and spicy.
Got nothing to lose.
That's good.
Morning.
That's
Am I
good.
part of the video?
You buy me a cabin number.
So what was the old cabin number, please?
7-5.
7305.
7350.
That
I would have to go to
Isaac and John?
Sandra and Sylvia.
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem.
That's
Just find your
it. This
name.
we can go put our new ones on.
And I'm going to provide them
And when will it be ready?
Sadly, not until around 1:30.
Just considered
Do
still.
what?
Keeping my old one.
Yeah, I'll be together.
To ask you something. I know that I left my reading glasses, I think, because I can't find them in my purse. And our steward, if he finds them, he can take them.
Is anything found inside the cabin?
Are you going to take my picture?
Not necessarily they will take it to the room, but what they will do, they will bring it out to the
They're scanned off, and our new card.
So if they do find it, they will take it to the session. So later on, you can check it out.
And I'm Sandra, and she's Sylvia.
That's fine.
But I need them.
No problem. If we have them, check with us. Yeah.
Alright, so
You can put your
just found out that here in Galveston, or at least today,
I'm going to move over.
customs will come on board. We don't have to get off the ship here.
All right.
So
let's see.
that's cool. So we got our passports ready, and
See, Sandra,
we'll
we don't have a
do that, and then we'll go do our thing.
Oh, we don't?
We just had our picture taken. Now I think we get some champagne or something. There's still people still getting off the ship. See what up, Shiner So customs came in and all they did was check our passports, and that was it. And this is called what? Mimosa. All right, thank you. This is mimosa, and this is what they give you. This is champagne. So I don't know if y'all heard me a while ago, but yeah, customs came onto the ship. They just checked our passports, and we're good to go. The last passengers are leaving off the ship now, and yeah, the first ones will be on, and we're already here. I'm actually waiting on Shore Excursions desk to open because I want to book the behind the scenes, behind the fun tour. So they only have limited number, and I've always wanted to kind of do that, so that's what I'm waiting on now. So the total time that we were in there, I don't know. I mean, we were supposed to be in there at 9:45, but 10:45-ish, 10:40, 10:45, we were out doing this. So there's actually still a couple of people that still hadn't gone off yet, but we're going to wait for some of the people to new people to come on. They haven't switched everything over yet, so we have to do that before we can put money on our new sign and sell card and all that. So anyway, this is pretty cool. Guess we could be in a pool or something, but
That would require us going back to our room.
yeah, it would require us getting back to our room.
Our car's not working.
Yeah. Are these the new people? Yeah.
I can't help you today, man.
No, you're fine.
Anybody need to I got somebody else today.
Universe. That's cool.
Anything other than 1114?
Yeah, no, they're coming up.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They're picking them up.
We gotta do a video of you. Oh my gosh. You're important to break the camera. Can you tell me where you're feeling right now? I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling sweat. I'm feeling all the cool feeling at the moment. Are we doing I think I'm gonna record you guys just
So I'm guessing that was like the Miss Universe, some pageant girls or whatever. I'm gonna just tell you, I'm gonna go tell them where Guy's Burger is at. Man, my pinky is larger than them. My goodness. Go eat a steak. They all look sad. I wonder crap. They all look sad. They look sadder than the people that just left. Oh, we got some smiley faces now. There's some people excited. There's some people got their camera phones out, doing all their stuff. See, he's got some excited people. He got his phone out filming. Guess usually I'm the guy filming the people, or filming myself come on. Now I'm filming people come on the ship. So there it is, folks. That's back to back. We're back to our room, and we're going to start our next leg. So that ends this video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to start shooting our next leg. So the back-to-back process, really simple here in Galveston, unless they change it. This is what I've read where the customs come on board, where like other places I've seen on YouTube, like in Miami, like you got to get off the ship. Not here in Galveston. So thanks for watching. 73.